Hello folks, how are you doing today? My name is Missy. I hate my daughter. Her name's Dixie. She's over there. She's about 20 feet away from me, and I hate her. I really do. I bark at her every day. I want to bite her. I want to bite the cat too. Wish the kitty's over there. Wherever. There's he is. And the little dog's over there. So I stay over here, and I'm on my business. But if they come over here, I'll bite their ass. Uh-oh. Get her, baby. Get her. Tell her. Tell her, shut up. Tell her, shut up. Shut up, Dixie. Tell her. Dixie. Nice. She's not stupid. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, sweetness. It's about time for me to start letting you in the house. It's getting pretty cold. It's getting pretty daggone cold. Yes. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Pose for me. Pose for me. Yeah. Get that sun out your eyeball. That's a good dog. That's a good girl. Here she is. That's Missy. That's Dixie. Missy's baby. Looks just like her, don't it? Yeah. She's just like her, too. She's mean as hell. She's okay, though. She's my baby, too. She's got, she's part retriever and Dalmatian and half of, Chihuahua, actually. Honestly, truly. She is half Chihuahua. As crazy as it looks. Which, that's why it stunted her growth. You could tell she's... See how tall Missy is. Missy's about a little higher than that, but she's our stunt growth. The stunted, I meant. She's a good dog. She don't do any tricks. I'm trying to teach her how to shake my hand, but she's having a hard time for that. I tried to mate her with my boy dog, and for some reason she didn't get pregnant. So I was told that some Chihuahua dogs don't take the first time or so. I don't know, but I don't know. I'm just gonna keep on trying, keep on hoping, and maybe I can get some babies out of her. Cause I mean, I love little puppy dogs. Little bitty puppy dogs. Yeah. She's, as you can tell, a little wild, a little kind of frisky a little bit. She is kid friendly. She is kid friendly. Well, she's kid friendly, but I wouldn't suggest kids to go up to her. 'Cause she's got sharp claws. I let their claws sharpen up since I got them outside on runners. I don't want prey to come up here or predators to come up here and be able to attack them. Because prey can be predators. Just think. Well, I've seen coyotes out here, and I've also saw what you call them things, wolves. I've seen wolves out here. Oh shit, the cat's throwing up for some reason. What the fuck, kitty? What the hell? Why'd you throw up? What the hell are you throwing up for? You ready to eat? Oh, he's shitting. Nah, he threw up though. For some reason. Eating all that damn grass. Boy, you better stop that eating grass shit. And here is Little Bear. And let's see here. I'll tell you a little history on Little Bear. Alright, let me see if I can make sure. Is that okay? Yeah, that's Little Bear. He's just licking his balls right now. Anyways, I'll give you a little history identification. Whatever. I'll just give you a little history on him. When he was born, I was in North Carolina, Goldsboro, and she came from him actually. He came from her and another dog. She came from her too. All of these came from her. That's why she's over there all stiff. All stiff and shit. Anyways, I couldn't have them in my house. In my yard. The neighborhood wouldn't allow them. So, we had them over there at someone's house named Glenn. I did it behind his yard, and for about a year or two, I believe. And then we came here. Now I won't even give up my dogs. I didn't even give up my dogs then. I won't do it. I don't know why. They're so fucking rotten. There, come here. What are you doing? Eating your ass. You little baby bear. Kitty! There's all doggos. There's one more cat in the front yard. I don't have her house ready yet, so she will be over there where the plastic thing is. Where that wooden thing is. You little bear. Come here. Look. Look at me. Anyways, he has not had no interaction with no kids. He is not kid friendly. So I would not suggest you to go around this dog. I mean, you can, but just act like you're not afraid of him. He'll act stiff. Now watch this. Watch. I just pushed him over. He'll act stiff. Watch this. This is funny because this is a big bad ass dog right here in the neighborhood, and all you really gotta do is touch him right here, up above the collar, and when you see how he's still, you just sit there and hold him. Wait until he, just goes right on out. That motherfucker he'll just lay out for you. He will. He's a good dog. He's a real good dog. My little baby. My little dog. Ugh. Ooh. Ooh. You're a big dog. Sit on your ass, boy. Sit on you. Ugh. Little bear. You okay? Are you dead? Huh? No. Couldn't be. Not little bitty bear. I'm not gonna step on you. I'm not gonna step on you. Yeah. Move that leg. He's like, hell no. Fuck that shit. Yeah, you don't touch me, boy. Mm. You good dog. You're a good dog. This is a face of innocency. And this is a teeth. Just a little bitty baby teeth. Just a little bitty baby teeth. Come here. Let me see your mouth. Come here. Open your mouth. Open it. And then your bitty baby teeth. Crazy ass dog. You be good now. Alright, and the kitty cat's done throwing up now. We can talk to him. Hey. Hey, you kitty. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 cat. Hold on just 1 minute. And I'll be going back to the house. And I'll show you the other cat. Walk in. Oh my goodness. Still have not found no one to fix my 4-wheeler. So it's been sitting there. Uh-oh. Here's the other cat. This motherfucker's crazy. I love her, Joey. And as you can see, she's on a chain. I want to make sure everyone knows that the chain is not for restraint purposes. Well, actually it is. From this road, see? Wow. Wow. See all these fast cars? I've seen many of dogs, cats, raccoons, and all get hit in that road. Actually, about 7 years ago, I was told by somebody, I don't remember who it was. Oh, it was the nurse at the hospital. I was talking to her, and she sat there and said that 7 years ago, a little kid got hit by a car right in front of our house, right there. And that's what they said, and they lived here. So, I don't know. Don't know. Just hope not. I hope not. But that's what I heard. Can't always believe what you hear, though. Hey, booty bear. And I just got a new bed. Someone dropped it off today. Said they didn't want it no more. The only thing that was wrong with it is it was broken one little spot. Yep. Just one little spot is broke, which I can fix that. Hell, that ain't nothing. Yep, that's it. Pretty good bed though. I do not have no room in my bedroom to walk around no more though. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Ooh, don't want it to flop that way. I'll go straight to my window. Well, that's a start. But I still can't get by. Back up, boo. I don't even know why I put all this shit up in there. Ooh, I almost broke the ceiling fan. Man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. Bobo. Trash can, 32 gallons, with nothing but dog food in it. And that's not it. I always usually put dog scraps like meat, bones, and all that good stuff in there. Make it good for them. I don't like it all bland and mess. Don't taste good that way. Glad we don't got nothing smudgy. Stupid dog. Baby.
This is my lucky food.
Yeah.
Good food.
Yeah. And there's your food for today. Make sure that's a cat, so she don't need much. I'll show you how it's done.